Hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Study with Prabin Sir. This is my second video on chapter percentage. Previously, we have solved two different types questions of chapter percentage. In this video, we will solve four different types questions of chapter percentage. So let's get started. Now type 3. Find 4% of rupees 3125. Now here it is written as 4% of rupees 3125. Now to remove this percentage symbol, we have to divide that number by 100. Here it is 4, that means 4 by 100. Of means multiplication. Then 3125. Now here, when 4 is cancelled by 4, it becomes 1, and when 100 is cancelled by 4, it becomes 25. Now, when 3125 is cancelled by 25, so it becomes 125. So that is rupees 125. That means your option B is the right answer. Now, next question. That is type 4, question number 4. Here 16 whole 2 by 3% of what number is 75? Now I have to write here 16 whole 2 by 3% of what number is 75. Now here listen, to remove this percentage symbol we have to divide that number by 100. So it is 16 whole 2 by 3 divided by 100. Here of means multiplication. Now it is written as what number. Now in place of what number, here we can write x, and is means equal to, that is 75. Then this implies when this mixed fraction 16 whole 2 by 3 is converted into improper fraction, it becomes 50 by 3. 50 by 3. Then divided by 100. Here it is 3. I have to write here clearly. It's 3. Into x, that is equal to 75. Now this implies, now how this 50 by 3 comes? Here 16 into 3, that is 48, plus 2, that is 50. Here in the denominator, that is 3, so that means it is 50 by 3. Now it is 50 by 3 into 1 by 100, because here 100 means 100 by 1 into x, so that is equal to 75. Now here, when 50 is cancelled by 50, it becomes 1, and when 100 is cancelled by 50, it becomes 2. So this implies x into 1, that is x, divided by 3 into 2, that is 6. So that is equal to 75. Now this implies x is equal to 75 into 6. So that is equal to 450. That means here option C is the right answer. Now listen, this question can be solved in another way also. Now how? Listen, in the last video I have given one chart. Here, what is that chart? Some prime fractions of percentage value. In this chart, here look, here it is 1 by 6 is equal to 16 whole 2 by 3%. That means instead of 16 whole 2 by 3%, we can write 1 by 6. So that means here, so in place of 16 whole 2 by 3%, we can write here 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into here what number? That means in place of what number we can write here x, that is equal to 75. So this implies x is equal to 75 into 6. So that is equal to 450. Now next question. Here type 5, question number 5. Rupees 12 whole 1 by 2 is what percent of 16 whole 2 by 3? That means rupees 12 whole 1 by 2 is what percent of rupees 16 whole 2 by 3? Here, listen, it is written as 12 whole 1 by 2. Then after that it is written is means equal to. Here it is written what percent. So instead of what percent, here we are writing as x percent. Of, here of means multiplication. Then rupees 16 whole 2 by 3. This implies after converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction, it becomes 25 by 2, that is equal to x percent, means x by 100. That means if we have to remove this percentage symbol, then it can be x divided by 100 into this 16 whole 2 by 3. This mixed fraction, when converted into improper fraction, it becomes 50 by 3. This implies x is equal to, here, that means here it is x, that means 25 by 2 into 100 into 3 by 50. That means here, when x is here and when these numbers are moved to this side, so then it will become like this. Then here 50 2s are 100, 2 and this 2 is cancelled, so 2 1s are 2. That means 25 into 1 into 3, so that is equal to 75. That means your option C is the right answer. Now next question, that is type 6, question number 6. 44% of a number is 275. What is 64% of that number? Now here 44%. So 44% of means multiplication. A number is x. That means here it is written as a number. So instead of a number, here we can write it as x. That is equal to, here it is written as each means equal to 275. This implies, if we want to, that means if we are removing this percentage symbol, then it becomes 44 by 100 into x. So that is x is equal to 275. Now this implies x is equal to 275 into 100 divided by 44. Now here x is equal to 275 into 100 by 44. That means here we have to intact this as 275 into 100 divided by 40. Then what is 64% of that number? That means 64% of x. 64% of x. That number, here it is that number we are taking it as x. So that is equal to 64 by 100, because after removing this percentage symbol, this becomes 64 by 100 into x. So in place of x, here we can write it as 275 into 100 divided by 44. Here this number is written in place of x. We have to calculate at last, because for saving, that means to save time, we have to calculate at last. Here 100 and this 100 both are cancelled. Then 64, when it is divided by 4, it becomes 16, and when 44 is divided by 4, it becomes 11. Now when 275 is divided by 11, it becomes 25. Now 16 into 25, so that is equal to 400. So here option B is the right answer. Now listen, in another way we can also solve this question. Then what is that? Now 44% of a number, that means 44% is equal to 275. 1% is equal to 275 divided by 44, and again 64% is equal to 275 divided by 44 into 64. That means here when 44 is cancelled by 4, it becomes 11, and when 64 is cancelled by 4, it becomes 16, and when 275 is cancelled by 11, it becomes 25. Then 25 into 16, that is equal to 400. That means your option B is the right answer. So if you have any query or doubt, then write on comment section. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.